Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I will show you how to set up the nearby share function on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So first you need to open the control panel, then find nearby share functions and click and hold on it. So click and hold, and now you will see this notification. Choose add or verify, then scroll down, choose yes I'm in, and enable nearby share. Now you need to make your device visible for everyone, so choose device visibility and choose everyone. Go back. Now you can change the name of your device for others. Oh, wait. Nearby share, open again. I want to rename my device. Just done. And fine. Now we can send or receive data. For example, I want to share this image. So on another device I choose share with nearby share. And now my another device, see here HardReset, tap on it, and choose accept on our device. Open this gallery, and cool. Now you can send and transfer files using the nearby share. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.